How should you handle negative news about your pastor? First, you want to validate your emotions. When you hear negative news about your pastor, you might feel confused, shocked, angry, or even disappointed. And those are natural and reasonable reactions to that news. But you have to remember that just because we hold men and women of God in high regard, it does not mean that they are not also human. So that means that they are going to fall short just like you and I. But as you are validating your emotions, you also want to make sure that you contain them so that you do not fall into what we call emotional reasoning. And that is using the strength of your emotions to jump to conclusions. For example, I may feel angry, and so I think they should be punished. I may be embarrassed about what they did, so I'm carrying their shame. I may really like the person, and I think they should not be held accountable. So you want to make sure that you are not using your feelings as facts to fill in those gaps. And you also want to make sure that you avoid getting into public disputes about what's going on, because it's highly likely that we don't have all of the facts. And fourth and finally, and most importantly, you want to pray and ask God for wisdom. Ask God to show you what areas where you need to repent. And also ask God to strengthen you so that way you don't allow this situation to cause you to walk away from your faith.